Welcome back to another episode of Mom and the Boys. I hit the hole and almost fell down. It would have sucked if I fell on those bees.
Got that food together. Oh, they really got that food together. Oh, dripping with honey.
Mm.
Yeah, that smoke really works, so not hardly flying around. Or at least coming out of the top. Yeah, pushes them down. Alright, I just want to see how full the frames are. Oh, that's frames full, that frame's. Yeah. Like I like my numbers. Do you want me on that side to get the frame, or? No. Oh, there's a bunch on that one.
Was that one that we didn't have any on?
Yep.
Okay.
Last week there's nothing on this one. Looks like there's a little bit of honey there. Yeah, a lot of honey in there. Puff this, Mitchie. No queen. That side's almost empty.
Yeah, nothing on that side yet.
Are we looking at them all, or?
Yeah, I think we might as well.
You want to find
See if we can meet the queen. Again, yeah. Uh-oh. You didn't squish a bee, did you?
Oh, look at all that. They're building that nice.
This one too didn't have any honey last week, and that.
Now, is all of that brood?
That, I believe, is, yeah, that's brood. The darker ones are capped honey. Nothing's capped on that.
Okay. So all of that is pollen? Or not pollen, what is that?
Must be nectar, I'm not sure. Still haven't figured that out yet.
Yeah, definitely building that up.
See the queen yet? Want to puff on that?
Yeah. Start smoking.
Uh-oh, which way is that going?
I don't remember.
The bigger side went on the outside, I think.
Last week the queen was on this one.
Alright. I don't really want to pull them all out. Still kind of creepy.
It was that one.
It is kind of creepy.
Mitchie?
Okay, stop tapping though, please. We don't need to make them any more mad than they are.
Hey, Marsh, don't run around.
That's...
I had lots of honey.
There are lots of bees around here.
It might be in the bottom.
Thank you.
Alright, I think that should be good. We'll move this over.
So you know where I am.
Any bugs? No bugs.
No bugs in there.
No beetles. Alright, this frame. Let's see how full this frame is.
The new one too, right there.
I haven't seen any beetles since we opened it.
The first time.
Yeah, first time was the only time.
See, I've never seen it, so.
So there's a little
Just
bit.
starting on here.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize there was nothing on that one.
That's the outside. That's the inside. They got that going pretty good.
Yeah, they did.
No queen.
Just a little bit of honey. No, I don't see any queen.
Other thing we gotta do is look for queen cells.
Wait a second. No, that's not the queen. Never mind.
Yeah. Because I know last time, when the queen was headphones on and
Wanna
watch
puff
it.
that?
Yeah. I'm running out of smoke here.
Oh, you gotta get that thing going. No, not like that. Just keep puffing on it and it'll start flaring up.
They're mad right now.
His head one hit me right in the neck.
Oh yeah.
You stand still and not mad at you. Mad. I'm mad at Dad.
No, they're mad at everybody.
Yeah, anyone that's here, they're mad at because we're not supposed to be here.
And queen cells.
I'm kind of thinking there might be a queen on the very bottom of it.
That's what I thought. I saw
So
something.
do the what? The females have genies in them.
Yeah.
You want to quick get that on camera, Mom? The very bottom.
Wait. Oh, do you guys see this?
Oh wait, is that? That's not the queen.
All right.
Yeah, there's a lot in there.
Just gonna get the top box.
Yeah. You get stung?
Mitchell, you want to grab that top box?
I'm kind of
there, or
thinking
the
you
next
better
box
hurry
there.
up here.
Start puffing.
Yeah.
Can you puff me, please? Because they've been on my arms and everything. Thank you.
We don't want that.
When I went before this, because I had 3 of them land on my arm, and I was like, nah.
A couple of them.
Thank you.
How do you like it when I smoke right next to you?
I like being smoked.
That is a lot of bees, though. Looks like that's all honey right there.
Mm-hmm. We are putting on the second box now.
Can you set this down next to me? I think they're fine.
Yeah, I mean,
And we will probably come out next week and check the second box, and see how that
do you
is.
have the Kleenex litter on there?
Not yet.
Do we have what?
The Kleenex litter, so there's no eggs in here. Oh wait, no, that's in between the second and third box.
Oh, okay. I didn't know what you were talking about at first.
First, puff it. Get that through. All right. Put the top on.
I feel like next week they're not going to be really on the top box yet.
No, I think they will be.
Like tiny
I
bit.
think so.
We'll see. We'll check them probably next weekend.
I think Grandpa was interested in seeing this process.
They're only in the bottom box.
Maybe we gotta do it tomorrow.
So I'd say maybe sometime when we do this, we'll have to invite them over.
Maybe we can do it tomorrow.
I don't think we'll probably do this tomorrow, Mitchell. Tomorrow's going to be a pretty busy day.
Oh, I smoked them out
Yeah.
one last time. By the way,
Maybe we can show them our YouTube channel. Everyone on our YouTube channel too.
You just walk away, guys.
yeah, I'll just take them a look. See
Click subscribe. Nailed it.